and then you'll be practicing after lunch on each other. Same thing, plus some more. So, right hand palm upwards, left hand palm downwards. Now those of you did before, you got a little rigid, you got much better now because your muscles are used to it now. Huh? Okay? Right hand palm upwards, left hand palm downwards, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and relax. And now imagine there is a heavy, thick book on your right hand, and in your left hand there is a number of gas balloon, helium gas balloon tied to your left wrist, pulling your left wrist up, up, up. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand. It's a 5 kg black color encyclopedia. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand, and as you do, your right hand is going down, 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 and left hand is moving up, 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 up toward the ceiling. Feel the weight of the book on your right hand, and as you do, your right hand is going down, 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 left hand is moving up, 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 up. Fantastic. Slowly open your eyes and look at your hand. दूसरा book नहीं डाला, नहीं तो पूरे सब नीचे गिर जाते थे. Okay, relax. Now make your hand in front of your right hand. Make a fist tight. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now imagine, feel, believe, pretend that your right hand is becoming stiff, rigid like a steel bar. Really feel it. Close your eyes. Imagine, feel, believe, pretend, know in your heart that your right hand is becoming stiff, rigid like a steel bar. I'll count from 1 to 5. With each count, allow your hand to become more and more stiff, rigid like a steel bar. Want it happen, make it happen, let it happen, really feel it. Know in your heart. I'm going to count from 1 to 5. With each count, allow your hand to become more and more stiff. 1, your right hand is becoming very, very stiff, rigid like a steel bar. 2, completely stiff, rigid like a steel bar. 3, more and more stiff, rigid like a steel bar. 4, completely stiff, rigid like a steel bar. The next count, I want you to try to bend it up, but not be able to bend it. The harder you try to bend, the more stiff, rigid you become. 5, try to bend it up, but you cannot. The harder you try to bend, the more stiff, rigid you become. Try, but you cannot. When I clap my hand, your hand will relax and become loose. Open your face, open your eyes, look around. Bring your both of your hands in front of you like this. If you're wearing rings, make sure it's not hurting you. If it is hurting you, give it to me and forget about it. Make it here, straight, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Make it tight. Feel the pressure of fingers tightening up. Feel the pressure of palms really tightening up, really tightening up. Feel it, really feel it. Imagine, feel, believe, pretend that your hands are sticking tighter and tighter. Feel the pressure of fingers really tightening up. Feel the palms of each hand really tightening together. It's glued tightly together. I'll count from 1 to 3. With each count, your hand will stuck tighter and tighter. 1. Feel the fingers tightening up. Feel the palms of your hands really tightening up. 2. Your hands are locked tightly together. At the next count, I want to try to separate and will not be able to separate. The harder you try to separate, the more tighter it's stuck. 3, try to separate hand, but you cannot. The harder you try to separate, the more tighter. Try. And the most interesting thing is, your butt is stuck to the chair. You cannot get up from the chair. You're stuck. Try to get up from a chair, but you cannot. The harder you try to get up, the more tighter stuck. Try, but you cannot. When I clap my hand, your hand will release, your butt will release. Relax.